It's the 1400s, and this is the War of the Roses. In the Rose King, players assume the dynastic roles of the royal houses of Lancaster and York and vie for control of the board. Your objective is to mark more adjacent territory with your roses than your opponent. Here's how to play. Set up the game as shown in the instructions. The red player goes first. On your turn, you must take one of 3 actions. If you can't take any of them, your turn is skipped. Playing a power card moves a crown to an unoccupied space to place one of your power tokens. First, choose one of your power cards, then move the crown token in the direction and number of spaces shown on the card. For example, this power card would move the crown 2 spaces up to here, while this power card would move the crown 3 spaces to the right to this space. You can't move the crown fewer spaces than the number shown, off the board, or onto a space that already has a power token. If you choose to draw a power card, you may only do so if you have fewer than 5 power cards. Draw the top card from the deck and place it next to your other power cards. Finally, playing a hero and power card together allows you to retake territory your opponent controls. First, play one of your power cards to move the crown onto a space your opponent controls. Next, play one of your 4 hero cards with your power card and flip your opponent's power token over, giving you control of this space. After taking an action, it is now your opponent's turn. The game continues until either the final power token is placed onto the board, or when both players have 5 cards each and neither player can make a legal move. The game is now over and it's time to score. Count up the number of tokens in each of your territories and use this chart to determine the point value for each territory. Add your points together and the player with the most points wins the game.